Yeah. Well, Liz, I'm very delighted to be able to talk about this summit. We're actually calling it the fourth Principle of Sustainable Insurance Africa Market event that we're going to be hosting here in Nairobi in April. And I think it's one of the very exciting events which we happen to be the lead host organization. And the reason why it is so important to us as ICEA Lion Group is that firstly, we're among the few insurance companies in Africa who have signed up to the principles of sustainable insurance. And in fact, I think we're the only one in the East and Central Africa region. Others are in Southern Africa and also in West Africa. So we feel that this is very important to us, that we take the lead in this regard and actually host this particular event. Now, Liz, this event is linked to the Sustainable Development Goals. And these goals are very important to us as a company that is thinking of a sustainable future for everybody, not only in this continent, but in the world. And we feel this is very important to us because, one, we are a very old established company with roots dating back to 1895. And we see the SDGs as a vision to end poverty and build a prosperous and peaceful world for everybody. So this event is important for us because it's going to be talking about the theme, which is harnessing African insurance markets to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. And we're going to be having stakeholders from across the world in this particular event joining us here to discuss various issues. We actually have a few which are very relevant to us here in Africa. And some of those that are relevant to us are really issues like the insurance protection gap. As you may know, Liz, the insurance penetration in the African continent, actually even in our own country here, is fairly low. We're talking about 2.4% in Kenya, but in many African countries, it is barely 1%, barely 2%. I think the highest penetration is in South Africa, which is about 15, 16%. But in general, the insurance penetration is very low. So we have that, what we call the insurance protection gap, which is a theme we would like to discuss because many people are excluded from the protection of insurance and they are therefore vulnerable. The second thing is we need to have what we call resilient and sustainable cities. We've had a lot of challenges in some of our cities due to issues of flooding. And the other issue that we want to discuss is the issue of food and agricultural systems, because Africa is largely an agricultural continent. We want to see how best can we harness the power of insurance and the possibilities to ensure that we are able to alleviate poverty through agriculture and the link to insurance products. These are the main issues, Liz, that we want to look at during this event. And we feel we need to take the lead as a well-established, committed, sustainable company, ICEA Lion. Yeah, thank you.